Today, we're diving into the ongoing saga of the Galaxy S24 lineup's camera issues. Despite Samsung's efforts to patch things up, it seems like the problems just won't quit. So let's talk about the elephant in the room. A recent tweet caught our attention showcasing that the Galaxy S24 camera troubles persist despite the updates Samsung has rolled out. But fear not, folks, because Samsung's about another update in the pipeline, promising to finally put these issues to bed. Will they deliver? Well, only time will tell, but let's stay hopeful, shall we? Just recently, a Twitter user shared a video highlighting the persisting camera problems with the Galaxy S24. Despite previous updates, the issues seem to linger, prompting Samsung to announce yet another update in the pipeline. Samsung's forthcoming update aims to finally put an end to these camera woes. While we're hopeful, there's always a bit of uncertainty until the update actually rolls out. But hey, let's keep our fingers crossed for the best possible outcome. Now, let's rewind a bit. When the Galaxy S24 hit the shelves, it wasn't long before users started noticing camera quirks. Samsung swooped in with an initial software update, but it only scratched the surface. Fast forward to this month, and we've got another update, this time zeroing in on camera improvements. One major gripe was the Galaxy S24 Ultra's tendency to overexpose images, leaving us with blown-out highlights. But hey, credit where it's due. Samsung tackled this issue head-on in the latest update. However, there are still areas needing improvement. Telephoto camera quality, white balance accuracy, and even strange occurrences of red color in images are still on the to-do list. Plus, autofocus seems to be another pain point, as highlighted in a video shared by a user on X. Autofocus seems to be another sticking point, especially when switching to the ultra-wide sensor. This is a new territory for Samsung, as similar issues have plagued previous models. Our friend over at X shared a couple of videos demonstrating the Galaxy S24 Ultra's struggle to lock onto subjects, especially when switching to the ultra-wide sensor. It's déjà vu, folks, as we've seen similar woes on older Samsung models. But fear not, Samsung's reportedly cooking up another update to iron out this kink. Now, for those eagerly awaiting the fix, hold on to your hats because rumors suggest we might be waiting until May or June. Patience is a virtue, right? Have you experienced any camera issues with your Galaxy S24 Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out the videos shared by users for a closer look at the issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Until next time, peace.